Hello everyone, this is a Cocomelon, a secret diary set. This set includes diary with lock, two keys, 60 sheets, pen, pad, stamper, 2 sticker sheets. I'm gonna open it. This is a stamper. This is a stamp pad. And this is a lock with 2 keys. And look, this pen is soft and it's really sparkly. And look, we have a diary, and there's stickers. We have apple berry, mom, dad, grandpa, grandma, brother, sister, and Jojo. And let's see if this pen works. I'm gonna draw a heart. This pen works. And now I'm gonna show you this stamp and this stamp pad. And it works. It has the Cocomelon. Now I'm gonna close the stamper. I'm gonna close this. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.